the time has come to boil my Temu flowers. I've watched a ton of TikToks and either people steam them, that takes way too long, or they just dip them in hot water. So I'm doing that one. Literally full of flowers and greenery. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to actually make the arrangements. Some of them, like these ones, I'm assuming I don't need to. These ones I feel like will just melt. They're literally plastic. But like things like this, that's wrinkly. So you're going in hot water. I also don't think I ordered enough white flowers. I thought I did, but majority of this is pink and green. So I'm either gonna go to the dollar store or Michael's and get more. So cute. Love these ones. Yeah, wow, I don't know why I thought I bought a bunch of white flowers. I bought like barely any white flowers. I actually wanted all of my arrangements to pretty much only be white and green, so I'm kind of shocked at how much pink there is going on here. I just have a pot of water. I made it like almost boil and then turned it down just so it's not like bubbling like crazy. And I'm gonna dip them and then shake them out and put them back on the towels. Oh my god, don't melt. Ooh. Okay. These ones are gonna be the test. These ones are so wrinkly. Flower down. Post boiling, they look way better. I definitely bought too many pink flowers and not enough white flowers. I might go to the dollar store and pick up more. But like they look way, like that became so much bigger because it's no longer smushed and wrinkly. This is your sign, buy the Temu flowers. You guys, I was just a terrible vlogger and I made the whole entire flower arrangement and didn't vlog it, but it's stunning. I'm actually so proud of myself. Are you ready? She is gorgeous. I'm obsessed. I ran out of flowers for this one, so I think I'm gonna go to Dollarama and do that really quickly. Yeah, if I leave in like 10 minutes, I have time. Good morning. Yesterday was my first day back to work after my breast reduction surgery. Oh, it's Tuesday. I'm exactly 4 weeks post-op today. I actually have my 4-week checkup with my surgeon later today. But since I'm back to work, I have to start meal prepping again, unfortunately. So I have 28 containers here. I'm gonna meal prep mine and my fiance's lunch and dinner for the week. I also haven't made any of these meals before. I'm trying a whole new program. So truly fingers crossed I don't get too stressed out because I don't love cooking. I actually hate it, but that's fine. You gotta eat. I'm gonna make myself a quick little coffee first, you know, get the motivation going, and then I'm gonna start. I also punched all of the recipes into Claude and I was like, can you give me a rundown of like how to cook this? A cooking order. It made me a cooking order. So I'm hoping for the best that it's correct. Anyways, you're gonna follow along with me and then I'll take you to my follow-up appointment later. I have to put my camera down now because my arm is still hurting holding it. I actually feel a lot better. I just like can't hold my arm up for too long. Okay, let's make a coffee. One trick I actually learned on TikTok, and I was doing this the last few months when I was meal prepping, is that if you don't enjoy cooking, which like it takes me a few hours if I'm meal prepping for the week, I choose an audiobook and I listen to that audiobook while I'm cooking, and I'm only allowed to listen to it when I'm cooking. So then I can't go the rest of the week listening to it, and then I look forward to cooking because then I get to listen to my book. So I was reading or listening to Atmosphere by Taylor Jenkins Reid. I'm enjoying it, but I haven't listened to it in like 2.5 months. So I'm excited to get back into that one. Well, you guys, that meal prep took way longer than planned. I'm not even finished. I think I started at like 10:15, maybe. I really thought I'd be finished by now though, but that's okay. I'm on my way to my appointment, my checkup appointment, and then I think I'm gonna pop into Homesense too because it's a different location than I normally would go to. I've been here so many times and every time I forget about floor 3. Oh my gosh, you guys, RIP. I still have to wear the bra for 2 more weeks. I don't know why I thought I would be done with it today. I was so excited. That's okay. That's fine. She also said I can't wear an underwire bra for like 3 more months. That's crazy. But I got my little scar cream. I'm supposed to start every single day. That's exciting. Yeah, that's it. She said it was healing really well. One side is still quite swollen. She did say, because I had for a while there, like it felt like my whole skin, like all my skin on my back and sides was sunburnt, and the bra was just like pushing against it really uncomfortably. I told her that and she was like, it's so weird. I was like, no one else has said that. Just my crazy skin. But she thinks it was like just like irritation from the bra, which is also true because my skin is the driest it's ever been in my life. It's really lovely. 10 out of 10 though for buying a second bra, because they give you one, and I don't know how people do that, because when I'm washing it, I just want to switch it. It's just way better. Okay, I'm gonna map Homesense and go in there. Tired. I can't believe I have to go home and continue cooking. I finally finished meal prepping. I got home at about 4:15, and then I continued, and then I ate dinner. And now it's 6:30. So I'm calling it. I'm done for the evening. I'm leaving a little bit of a massacre in the kitchen. That's a tomorrow problem though. Okay, that's a tomorrow problem. I am going to cozy up in the living room and watch a rom-com. I'm thinking 27 Dresses is the one I want to go with. I just have to see if I can find out where to watch it. Okay, I poured myself a little Savvy Bee with a bunch of ice and a lemon. Honestly, an elite combination. And 27 Dresses on Netflix. So that's the rest of my evening. My beanie baby. She's so tired from daycare. Are you tired? Tired.